This is my second video on the gods. Odin is descended from Buri, the man who was licked out of the ice in the beginning of time before there was time by the cow Embla. There is a theory that Buri was left over from a previous age of the gods, before a previous Ragnarok. Buri's son was Bor. Bor married Bestla, daughter of the giant Bullthorn. They had 3 sons. Their names vary in 2 different sources that we have. In one version, the other 2 sons of Bor were Hunir and Lothar. In the other, they are Vili and Ve, which will have alliterated with the first version of Odin's name, Woden. Woden, Vili, and Ve. They gave mankind its independent life. One day the 3 sons of Bor were walking by the seashore when they came upon 2 trees that were lying fallen down. One called Askr, they made the first man. One called Embla, they made the first woman. The 3 sons of Bor gave the trees different gifts, which differ slightly in the 2 different sources. In Gylfaginning, we are told that Odin gave them Und, the breath of life and awareness. That the second god, Vili, one presumes, gave them Vit, understanding, and the power of movement, and the last, one presumes Ve, gave them the faculties of speech, hearing, and sight. In Völuspá, Odin gave them Und. Hunir gave them Od, spirit or passion, which is the first part of Odin's name. And Lothar gave them Litaboda, a good complexion, a fair appearance, in other words, human form.